Now the question is, what is going in an Accenture interview is released, and what is going in phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3? What is going on all three phases, because third phase is not announced yet and we did not get anything. So what is going on in this video? Hiring process important update is this, and doubt all cleared. So please watch video till end, because this is the mandatory video and the purpose of this video to clear all essential related doubt. Watch the complete video, don't skip, and please request viewer to like the video so it reach more students, because this is very big update I want to give you and you have to must know about this. One more thing, IBM just sending the English assessment version test, and very soon they will send the coding assessment, and very soon if you clear the coding, then there will be the interview. So don't worry, I attached the one PDF which is a prep PDF of IBM, link in the description box. So check out that PDF, which is very good PDF, and already there I put a latest repeated most asked recent interview coding questions, English version test, each and everything, plus project based questions. So that is a prep PDF for you. Just go to the link in the description box and click on it and check out the IBM prep PDF. So moving forward, Accenture interview result. Current reality, the congratulation mail we all received tabs is skipped this year, so no candidate has received this mail yet. This is normal, not a rejection sign. Now what is going on? See, we received the rejection on the basis of interview or selection on the basis of interview, but the thing is, for selection we did not get anything. We just got the workday mail in which we have to create the document, and already we received the background verification mail. Yes, you had it right, we already get the background verification mail. If you give an interview, then you receive the workday mail. After creating workday website, they are sending the background verification mail, and I already uploaded that video in my channel. You can easily check the document list which I already told you. Go to the channel video section, there you will get to see the thumbnail document list of Accenture. Go and check out that document list. And how to create, already told you step by step, and I already create the PDF in the way you have to also create. Okay. And the rejection, another thing is a rejection. This is the direct rejection. It means cooling period applied, you can't apply again. If phase 3 will come, and you can check that apply button is not working now, because if phase 3 will work or if phase 3 release, then apply now button is active और वहाँ पे apply easily किया जा सकता है, but you can't apply if you get rejected in this current hiring or current phases. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Now phase 1 student mail update. Phase 1 candidate have already received workday account mail. ठीक है, very few students, around 10 only received, and many 20, 10, 15 इतने. And a BVG guideline mail also received. 90% student have not received BVG mail yet. Why? Because this is phase wise hiring and many thing is going on. So first understand what is going with the phase 1. The reason is Accenture checks workday account creation. If you're not creating workday account and it's in pending mode, so you can't receive the BVG. First they will check whether you created your account in workday or not. If created, then they will send you the verification mail, and verification process takes 2+ weeks, which I already told you in that video in which document list I showed you. So if you have not received BVG mail, wait, when you will get it, but you have to keep in mind and confirm from your side that you created the workday website successfully or not. If successfully you created, then you have to wait for 5 to 6 days, then you will get to see the BVG mail. And you have to collect the document which I already told you in that video, because one document mistake, direct rejection will be there. So please, if you reach these things, or if you already complete the interview और यहाँ तक आ चुके हो, please don't take risk about documents. Go and check out that video. And if you did not get, even if you created the workday and did not get the BGV, then you have to wait for the mail, because this is phase wise, slot wise hiring. They are one by one sending the mail. Now background verification, exact flow I want to tell you, which I already told you. ठीक है, workday account creation mail, BGV guidelines mail, rules only, proper BGV mail, login plus password, document uploading link will be there, then document submission will be there, and offer letter. If you want to know deeply what is going with your document after submitting, because there is not a first step you have to submit the document, there is step 1 which is LOA. You have to sign the LOA. After signing the LOA, they will see you signed the LOA or not. If you signed, then you will give they will send you one mail that you have to submit these documents in the PDF form, in which I already told you in that video, which is document list. So in this video I already told you document list step by step process. Document 1 mistake is the rejection, create PDF like me, and 6 step will be there, all full detailed video I already told you. Means what is the first step after submitting document, how Accenture will verify your documents, after फाइनल रिजल्ट और एक रिपोर्ट जनरेट होगी, एंड देयर विल बी वन थिंग इज एरर और सक्सेसफुली BVG। तो उसके बाद जिसको एरर आया क्या, उसके बाद चांस मिलेगा तुमको फिर से डॉक्यूमेंट रीअपलोड करने का, वो सब मैंने बता रखा उस वीडियो में। गो एंड चेक आउट दैट वीडियो बिकॉज यू मस्ट नो अबाउट दिस। So after that you will receive the offer letter, then DOJ is also there because LOA to DOJ already told you in this video. If you see that this is the LOA to DOJ steps. Now phase 2 student, very carefully listen it. Current status explained, current status visible, convert not duplicate, ठीक है। stuck ranking is also showing, and meaning of stuck ranking, what is stuck ranking? Your performance is being compared with another candidate, ठीक है। This step takes time. After ranking status will change to ASE shortlisted or ASE not shortlisted, because until status change you will not get workday mail. Only shortlisted candidate receive workday account mail. Suppose at the time of means suppose we can check 19th of January, and there will be the 2:30 PM slot which I also selected, and 10 candidate also selected. Suppose 10 candidate is giving the interview on 4:30 PM, then they will check and they will shortlist. Maybe they want 3 students from 10 students, then they will check the performance. So they will compare the performance. If 3 student is better than others, then they will select the 3, and after and rest of they will send the rejection mail. तो यही चीज है इसका मतलब स्टैक रैंकिंग का। Now phase 3, very listen carefully. Delay reason, what is the reason of the delay? Because apply button is not active, you can't apply, but if phase 3 will come you can easily apply again. But when will come is delayed, not cancelled, ठीक है। reason BVG is still not complete, phase 2 processing is ongoing, many candidates did not even receive the interview mail. So you have to keep in mind phase 3 will start only after phase 1 or phase 2 complete. What phase 1? After BVG complete of phase 1 or phase 2 also BVG, because in here you can check that phase 1 BVG is only few candidate gets, but in phase 2 also interview mail is ongoing. यहाँ पर सभी को मेल्स नहीं मिले, इसलिए यहाँ पे डिले है बट कैंसिल नहीं हुआ। नथिंग इज इन आवर कंट्रोल, ओनली वी कैन वेट। अल्टरनेट अपॉर्चुनिटी, ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ TCS. इफ यू डिड नॉट वॉच दिस वीडियोस, गो एंड चेक आउट OTP error, everything I uploaded. One more thing, roles digital prime package is very huge, 24, 25, 26 exam pattern same as previous, not very difficult, but there is no prime role, keep in mind. So this is the alternate opportunity, you can easily apply. Go and check out both videos, both is very compulsory. If you are not watching then you regret later, क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें बताई है जो कि किसी ने तुम्हें नहीं बताई है और ना ही तुम्हें किसी वीडियो में मिलने वाला है। अप्लाई इमीडिएटली, लिंक शेयर्ड इन द अनदर वीडियो। नाउ सस्पिशियस activity status is must know about this. This is multi-point suspicious activity, means this code is technical assessment cheating code, ठीक है। These status usually lead to rejection, but these are backend codes. Accenture will check if this code generate after an assessment, after interview, after technical assessment. If 243087 will be there, it means you cheated or you suspicious activity found, that's it. तो ये बैकएंड के कोड होते हैं जब तुम कुछ करते हो ना, चीटिंग, सस्पिशियस, मेल प्रैक्टिस, तो उसके बाद एक कोड जनरेट होता है, वो यही कोड होता है जो बैकएंड में जनरेट होता है और यहीं से रिजेक्शन होता है। फेज 2 अपडेट, मैनी कैंडिडेट मूव फ्रॉम L to रिव्यू रिक्वायर्ड टू कन्वर्ट नॉट डुप्लीकेट एंड स्टक रैंकिंग, ठीक है। मीन सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी नॉट फाउंड, विच इज गुड न्यूज, ठीक है। Final advice, if your status has not changed, wait for that. Off-campus hiring always takes time. Use this waiting time to apply for TCS, prepare for next opportunity, because currently what is going on, just check my channel. Yesterday I uploaded one big mass hiring, another mass opportunities, another mass opportunities, another mass opportunity, even telling you the assessments, mail interview dates. If you are not watching these video and only stucking in TCS Accenture, then this will be not good for you, ठीक है। जाके सबके लिए अप्लाई करो। Now support request, like this video, just it take hardly 1 second, which is huge support from you. And please do subscribe my channel. It hardly take 4 to 5 seconds to do this. And please share in Telegram groups, subscribe for Accenture update, TCS preparation, off campus opportunity. Now the thing is, Accenture phase 3 जैसे ही आएगा, यहाँ पे बहुत online assessments, communications, interview will be there, but this is definitely will come. Phase 3 is confirmed, this will come, but there is delay, but you have to start preparation. Then already I attached one more PDF of Accenture. You can easily check that PDF, prep PDF, everything in that one PDF. कहीं नहीं जाना है. Communication से लेके interview से coding to communication, project based questions, situation based questions, everything in that PDF. You can easily check the thumbnail also if when you click on that link. तो जाके उसको भी देख लेना. और ऑफ कैंपस और TCS की prep PDF चाहिए, so please if you want the prep PDF of TCS, just comment down yes, I want a TCS prep PDF. So I will give you one PDF. In that everything will be in that one PDF. You don't have to do search, do multiple watch videos, YouTube videos, कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ एक PDF काम हो गया. So please, if you're having any query, just comment down, because this is the thing you have to must know about these, what is going on if you are in the TCS process. If you are rejected, this is not for you. Just watch these videos, because this is ongoing. Sending the assessment mail, test mail, interview is also going on. If you check that 20, 24, 25 को यहाँ पे कल interview भी होने वाला है. Go and check out these videos. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.